Hey guys, welcome back. This is Grown and Healthy, the channel where we explore self-improvement through movement. And in my One Fix series, I'm going to show you one exercise that will solve your plantar fasciitis. Now, if you're new to minimal shoes or barefoot running, you may find that in your transition, you may have ran or walked too far for your ability. And with that comes some pain. And you may have woken up one morning with pain in the sole of your foot, and that is plantar fasciitis. Now, don't get me wrong, you may be wearing conventional shoes and still have plantar fasciitis. But in this video, I'm going to show you one exercise to fix that. Now, the plantar fascia is located at the bottom of our feet, runs from the toes, through the heel, and up through the Achilles tendon into the calf. Basically, this is all one connection. And with that, you may find that while the pain is here, it is really caused mainly from the calf and Achilles tendon portion. And that lack of usage or response has sent a signal which shows up in the sole of your foot. Now, when you wake up in the morning, you may find that you have a deep pain in the sole of your foot, but as you move around, take a shower, brush your teeth, it subsides. And that is showing you that as long as you stay or take good motion, that the pain or the pain signal will subside eventually. But how do you fix it permanently? One exercise, 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps, the calf raise. But not the usual calf raise. We're going to take the calf raise to where it needs. We are going to take the calf raise where it belongs, and that is in the eccentric. You see, most times in the gym, people will do their calf raise. They'll be at this horizontal plane, and from there, their calf raise starts. They lift, lower it to here, and lift. And most times it's done in a jerky, rapid-fire fashion, which allows for no development, no growth, and no proprioceptive ability. Now, what we're going to do, or the correct way to do the calf raise, is to take it through the full range of motion so you can develop end range strength. So what you will do is you will stand on and you will lower, collapsing the ankles and lowering the heel, lowering it past the level of the toes, and then you'll lift. And then you lower it again past the level of your toes, and then lift. Now, while I'm demonstrating this with a dumbbell, you can use this in the gym. And in fact, no machine is better than the standing weighted calf raise machine, because what I implore you to do is to put the weight as high as you can to complete 10 to 12 reps. Now, by bringing your body to the level of resistance, you'll find that you will subdue the plantar fasciitis even faster. You see, you can do this and at home, and it will work, but the speed is exponentially faster when you can put a heavy load onto the exercise. So if you have no access to a gym, which many do not at the moment, you can just take 2 of the heaviest dumbbells that you can handle, hold on to a table, wall, even a ladder, and complete the reps, 3 sets, and you'll be golden. Now remember, when you do run back out to run barefoot or in minimalist shoes, remember to take it easy and also to stop as soon as you feel pain. Don't go past pain. It's a signal and you should heed it. All right guys, this is a quick one. Thanks for watching.